Hi, this is Dave Collins from Shareware Promotions with the special Butterscotch.com series on Google AdWords. This is part 9, the Content Network. The quickest and easiest way to set up a content campaign is to take the settings from an existing campaign and adjust them accordingly. So we go to View Campaigns, click on the New Campaign button, and then we choose to load settings from an existing campaign, and we select our initial campaign and click on Load Settings. So let's start by selecting a more meaningful campaign name, and for now we're going to stick with using the same countries that we were using in the search campaign, the same language. We're then going to choose these settings to disable Google search and enable the content network on relevant pages across the entire network. We'll leave the bidding option on manual bidding for clicks. We'll leave the budget as it is on $5 per day. And we don't need to adjust any of the other settings. Click on Save and Continue. We now need to give the ad group a name. For now we'll stick with Google's default of ad group number 1, and the next step is to enter the actual ad text. From here we scroll down the page a little bit and we need to enter our initial keyword or keywords. The key to running a successful content campaign is to keep everything, the ads and the keywords in particular, as focused as possible. So for now we're going to stick with a very small number of phrase and exact match keywords. We'll scroll down the page and we're going to set our initial bid at 5 cents. Save the ad group, and our ad is already live on the content network. So at this point we're going to go in and add a few more ads. And one more. And the last thing to do, which is a good rule of thumb whenever you're setting any sort of campaign, is just to check that everything's as it should be. So we can see that our initial content campaign has a budget of $5 Canadian per day. We can see that there's one ad group called ad group 1. We can see a small number of very tightly focused keywords, and we can see 3 ads. And if we click on one of them, we can also see that it works just fine.